Hello everyone, welcome back for my final morning report chart appraisal on Monday 16th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Going to look at gold, and gold interestingly has sort of broken out above 1200 again. Can it hold the break this time? It sort of had that breakout on Thursday, failed in the break. Friday found the resistance at 1200 before turning sort of back lower above 1200 for 80, but basically the resistance around 1200. Today it's sort of broken above 1200 and just come off as the dollar has started to regain a bit of strength. Now this is still interesting. I still think this is sort of positive configuration across the board on the momentum indicators, because you've got the RSI highest since July now. MACD line is now back above neutral. Stochastic still sort of not. That's interesting. It sort of has rolled over to a little bit, but you've got small heads to these bull candles, which again leaves you a little bit of doubt. But still, you are breaking up above 1200, and if you close above 1200 today, I think that is a positive, certainly. But it's sort of on the limit, isn't it? It's sort of 1202 as we speak. And you are still on the hourly chart running all these higher lows and strong configuration on the momentum indicator. So there's no real reason to be not thinking that this is going to continue higher, which I do at the moment. I still think it is, but I'm just a little bit cautious. But 1200 has become a bit of a pivot in the last sort of 2 or 3 days. Bit of support, resistance, and now today support. So 1200 is a bit of a pivot line, but you have got these momentum indicators which are positive. But despite that, all the sharp, or I say sharp moves, any sort of dip intraday that we've seen in the last few days has been bought into quite quickly as well. You had one on Wednesday that was sort of found support at 1177. Had one on Friday that found support at 1187.50. So I think there is still this appetite to buy this rally in gold and push it higher. But it's not quite sort of as strong as it once was, and you're not getting the strength of the candles in the last few days. Quite small heads or bodies to these candles, so it'll be interesting to see if it can continue the move. But yeah, I'm still positive because you are still tracking higher, and the trend is your friend on this one. But just a little bit of caution. Above 1207, 1208. Which is the two rally highs basically we've seen in the last couple of days, last 3 sessions. You're basically looking at the 50% fib at 12.11 and then 12.21, which is this rally high from November as the resistance. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again next time. Thank you.